Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 20, conjunctions. Okay, so children, conjunctions are words which are used to join two sentences. Okay, so we will move with the examples and then I'll explain you further what is conjunction, and you will also come to know what are conjunctions. Okay, so see your children, column 1 and column 2 are given. Let us compare these two columns first of all. See the first example. Ganesh is watching TV. Ganesh is Govind is watching TV. Now here Ganesh is watching TV, Govind is watching TV. Yes, these two sentences are there. In both the sentence, what is common? Watching TV is common. So we can write like this: Ganesh and Govind are watching TV. So children, what we did, we combined these two sentences and we have made one sentence out of it. So what we have added to combine these two sentences, we have added and to it. Okay. So, and the words which we add to combine the two sentences and to make it one, such kind of words are known as conjunctions. Okay. So, and is used when we have to combine two similar sentences. Okay, do remember this. We use and when we have to combine two similar sentences into one. Okay. Now let us start with let's see the second sentence. Is that boy fat? Is that boy thin? Now here again two sentences are there. We can combine these two sentences and we can make it one. Is that boy fat or thin? Now here you can see is that boy is repeated. Yes, and it has become two sentences. So we can combine this by using or and we can make one sentence out of it. That is that boy fat or thin? Okay children, now here the word which we have used to combine the two sentences is or. Okay, now here or is used to explain the alternative, to use the alternative things. Means here you can see we have written the boy. Is the boy fat or thin? Is he fat or he is thin? Okay, so two alternatives are given, fat or thin. So we combine that two sentences and we have combined and we have used or to combine it because two alternatives were given and we have made a single sentence out of it. Understood? See the next sentence. I can read English. I can write English. Now here two sentences are there. Similar sentence children. So we can use and. I can read and write English. Okay. See the next sentence. He phoned the office. There was no reply. Now here two different sentences are there. Okay. So we can combine the sentence like this. He phoned the office but there was no reply. So now here two opposite sentences are there. Yes, but they are connected with each other. So when the two sentences are there which are connected to each other but we have to express opposite ideas, at that time we will use but to it. Okay. So he phoned the office but there was no reply. Okay children. So but is here used and but is used to make two sentences, to combine the two sentences. So but is the word of conjunction. See the last example. I trust him, he is honest. Now here two sentences are there. We can combine these two sentences and we can write I trust him because he is honest. Now here we have used the word of conjunction, that is because. Because is used to explain the reason. So now here the reason is given. Yes children, I trust him. Why does I trust him? Why do I trust him? Because he is honest. So reason is given, so we have used the word of conjunction, that is because. Okay, understood. So now with the help of this example only you can come to know that conjunctions are the words which are used to combine two sentences and to make it one. Okay, so and is used to combine the similar sentences, or is used to link the alternatives. Okay, then but is used to connect sentences that express opposite ideas. Whenever there is opposite ideas and when the sentences are combined, we have to use but. And because is used when we have to give reason, or we have to you can say explain the reason for the second sentence. Okay, at that time we use because. Okay, so the definition of conjunction is words. A conjunction is a word used to join words or groups of words. So definition is conjunctions are is a word which is used to join words or groups of words. Okay, words and, but, or, because, etc. are joining words. They are called conjunctions. Okay, so they are also known as joining words, but they are actually conjunction. So we will say it's a conjunction. Okay, the words which are used to join words, they are conjunctions. Now here few examples are given. Let us see the examples. Let us read it out. In the following sentences, the highlighted words join words or groups of words. We have to note them. I played on the piano and she sang songs. Now here two sentences are there. I played on the piano is one sentence. She sang songs is the other sentence. So we have joined this with the help of a conjunction, that is and. Okay. Go away or be quiet. Now here again two sentences are combined with the help of or. Two alternatives are there. Go away or be quiet. Means if you want to go away, then you go. Otherwise you keep quiet. So alternatives are there, so or will be used. We ran fast but we missed the train. Although we ran fast, we missed the train. So but is used. Next sentence. The mice will play when the cat is away. Now the mice will play. The cat is away. Two sentences are there. But when will the mice play? When the cat is away. So we have joined this two sentences with the help of when. We went home after we had finished our lesson. So again two sentences and we have combined that sentences with after. You will get the prize if you work hard. So here the word of conjunction is if. You will get the prize if you work hard. So if is the word of conjunction. I believe him because he is truthful. Now again you can see reason is there. With we have combined these two sentences. I believe him, he is truthful. So some reason is been given. Explanation of the reason is given. That's why we will use because. I believe him because he is truthful. We shall not go out as it is very hot. Okay, now again see here children two sentences and we have combined that sentence with as. He is very rich yet he is not happy. Here he is very rich yet we have used the word of conjunction to combine the other sentence. Though poor, the family is still happy. Though is the word of conjunction. Okay. The dinner will be cold unless you walk home fast. Now here again two sentences are joined with the help of the conjunction, that is unless. I do not know whether he will join us. Now here again two sentences are given and the word of conjunction is whether. Okay, so like this we have to join the sentence with the help of conjunction. So few examples was given to you. Now see this with the help of this example. I hope so it is clear to you what are conjunctions. Okay, so we will move with the exercises of it. in the textbook itself. Children, this is the first exercise of conjunction. That is, join the following pairs of sentences with an, or but. Okay, so we have to join this two sentence with the help of conjunctions, that is an, or but. Okay, we have to use these three words to join these sentences. So let us begin with the first sentence. Rama has a bat, he has a ball. Now here two similar sentences are there. Okay, Rama has a bat, he has a ball. So we can add conjunction and we can join these two sentences. So we can write Rama has a bat and a ball. Okay, see like this. So when we join two sentences, children, do remember this. In between, when two sentences are given, in there full stop is given in between. Yes, so you have to remove that full stop. And after that the capital letter is there, so it becomes small. Now here he has is repeated, so we have write only one time, that is Rama has a bat and a ball. At the end, full stop, first letter capital. Okay, see the second sentence. Hari knows Marathi, he knows English. Now here again, Hari knows Marathi as well as English. So we can combine these two sentences. So we will write Hari knows Marathi and English. At the end, full stop. Okay. See the next sentence. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. So here again two sentences are similar, so we will write the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay. See the next sentence. Do you like cricket? Do you like hockey? Now two alternatives are there, so we will use or. So we will write do you like cricket or hockey? Now here they are asking question. Okay, so we will write question mark over here. Do you like cricket or hockey? And at the end, question mark. Okay. The child is deaf, it is dumb. So now again we can write the child is deaf and dumb. Okay, like this. See. Understood? Now let us move further with this exercise. My book is lost, it is stolen. Now either my book is lost or it is stolen. So alternatives are there. So we will write my book is lost or stolen. At the end, full stop. Now next sentence, children. Sit down, speak clearly, sit down. So now we can write, see here, as you can see, speak clearly, sit down. So when we have to join these sentences, two sentences, sometimes we can write like this also to make it more sensible. Sit down and speak clearly, like this. See. Okay. See the next sentence. The street is narrow, it is clean. Now the street is narrow, it is clean. So here what we will add? We will add but. Okay. That the street is narrow, but clean. At the end, full stop. Now children, here we have added but. Why children? Because see, here the sentences are different, but the, you can say, opposite ideas are given. Yes, we are speaking about only one street, but opposite ideas are given. Although the street is narrow, but it is clean. That's why we have used but over here. Next sentence, I ran, I caught the bus. So we can write I ran and caught the bus. Next sentence, she is beautiful, she is not a good person. She is beautiful. Now here again we are expressing two different ideas, okay, opposite ideas. So we will write she is beautiful but not a good person. At the end, full stop. Okay. See the next sentence. I am tall, my sister is short. Now here two opposite ideas are given. That is, I am tall but my sister is short. Okay, next sentence. You see, last sentence of this exercise. Farhan gave me a red pen, I needed a green one. So we can write Farhan gave me a red pen but I needed a green one. So children, with this we have completed our exercise number 1. I hope you have understood this exercise. Okay. Start with conjunctions of reason. Okay. Here some sentences are given and they are known as conjunctions of reason. See, here are some more conjunctions. Let us read that conjunction first of all, children. Anuj can reach the shelf because he is tallest. Here because tells us the reason. Now here two sentences are there. Anuj can reach the shelf. He is the tallest. So now when we have to combine these two sentences, we have to give the reason why we are combining it. Okay. So Anuj can reach the shelf because he is tallest. Okay, here two sentences are given. We have added because and we have combined these two sentences. Okay, so this this first sentence we have written and we have given the reason because he is tallest, so he can reach the shelf. Okay, see the second sentence. It rained heavily, so I could not go to play. Now here again, here so tells us the reason why something happens. Okay, it rained heavily, so I could not go to play. Now so is the conjunction. Here so is used to show the reason why something is happened. Why I cannot go to play? Because it was raining. So is used for the sentence. Tikli ate the vegetables though she did not like them at all. Okay, now here again reason is given. Tikli ate the vegetables though she did not like them at all. So here though is used, it's a conjunction. Next sentence you see. Although Riya and Sweta played close by, they did not go to school together. Although Riya and Shweta stayed close by, they did not go to school together. Now here, although and although tells us when something is done in spite of something else. Now, so though and although are used for the for sentences when we have to say why something is done. Why something is done in spite of something else means why anything is done, even though it should not be, they don't want to do, they have done at that time, we use though and although. Okay children, understood? So because, so, though and although are also words of conjunction. They are known as conjunctions of reason. Here exercises is there. Exercise number 2. In this exercise you have to fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. Okay, these are the words of conjunction. So first one is done for you. I will either have a sandwich or a dosa. Second sentence, she did her homework dash she was allowed to go and play. She did her homework and we can write and. Yes, she did her homework dash she was allowed to go and play. Here what we will write and? No, we will not write and. We will write she did her homework so she was allowed to go and play. Okay. Next sentence. I have a pet dog dash a rabbit. I have a pet dog also and I have a rabbit also. So I have a pet dog and a rabbit. Next sentence. I cannot have an ice cream dash my cold has gone. I cannot have an ice cream although my cold has gone. The match was cancelled dash it was raining. Reason is because. So we will write because. The match was cancelled because it was raining. I like milk dash I do not like tea. I like milk but I do not like tea. Okay. So with this we have completed our exercise number 2 also. Now we will start with exercise number 3. Here also you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions. Okay. So first one, is that story true or false? Here the word of conjunction is used, that is false. Now second sentence you see, 2 dash 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. Next sentence, Keshav has a bat and a ball. He is old dash weak. He is old and weak. Next sentence, he is old dash active. Now here opposite ideas are given. So he is old but active. Shall we walk dash run? Now two alternatives are there. So shall we walk or run? Ben made 12 runs dash he was caught at the wicket. Though Ben made 12 runs though he was caught at the wicket. Okay. Next sentence, give me to drink dash I shall die of thirsty, or I shall die of thirsty. See the next sentence on the next page. Let us go to bed dash it is now late. Let us go to bed as it is now late. Next sentence, the room is big dash dark. The room is big but dark. Walk carefully dash you will fall, or you will fall. You will get the prize dash you deserve it. You will get the prize if you deserve it. We arrived dash you have gone. We arrived after you have gone. And the last sentence of this exercise, I ran fast dash I missed the train. I ran fast yet I missed the train. So children, with this we completed our exercise number 3 also. Children, let us start with exercise number 4. This is the last exercise of this lesson. Here also you have to join the following pairs of sentences with suitable conjunctions. Okay, here also we have to join the sentence with suitable conjunctions. So let us begin with it. First one, my mother is healthy, she is beautiful. My mother is healthy, we will write my mother is healthy and beautiful. Okay, at the end, full stop. Next sentence, children. I honor him, he is a brave man. I honored him as he is a brave man. We can write I honor him as he is a brave man. Okay, see the next sentence. He did not succeed, he worked hard. So, he did not succeed, though he worked hard. See the next sentence. We got into port, the storm came on. We got into port, the storm came on. We can add here conjunction, that is when. So we will write we got into port when the storm came on. Okay. See the next sentence. We are not going out, it is raining. So here we can use the word of conjunction, that is because. We are not going out because it is raining. Okay. See the next sentence. You must be quiet, you must leave the room. So now here we can use or. You must be quiet or leave the room. Okay. See the last sentence of this exercise. Rama worked hard, Hari is idle. So we can write Rama works hard but Hari is idle. Okay. So with this, children, we have completed our exercise number 4 also, and we have completed all the 4 exercises of this chapter. Do complete this exercise in the textbook itself. Okay. Thank you.